Welcome back everyone. We've got a quick project for the day. There's a thing that's been annoying me for a while. It's a water pump in this Caravan. We'll just go in. You hear that pump? If we slow it down, the pump's under the floor about there. You can hear it. Just at low flow you get a fair bit of vibration, so today's project we're going to go under the van and have a look at that pump, see if we can dampen that vibration a bit. So we'll just have to slide in under there and have a look. Oh, we're under the van. Looks like it's all housed in a metal box. Have to get a Phillips screwdriver or something. It is rubber mounted by the look of that. Hit there somewhere. See if we can find where that is. Sorry about the wild camera movements. There we go. There's the problem, and it's actually cutting into that fitting. It's vibrating on that metal box that's surrounding the water pump, and eventually that would cut through and we would have a water leak. So I'll just do a quick fix for now. I'll find a bit of foam and jam in there. I might have to do a cutout just around this section here. But for now we'll just do a quick fix. See if I can find some foam. Oh, we're in the bus, which is a bit jam-packed full of stuff after our move. We'll sort that out once we get another, start putting the bedroom and that in the containers. Here's our box of foam, which everyone has. Well, I have it because I'm into model aircraft and I use the foam to pack receivers and batteries and stuff. So I have a good supply of packing foam. So something like that should do the job. Probably just fold that and jam that in there for now. Be one of those temporary permanent jobs. Excuse all the mess. It's another job on the list to clean all that up after I get through the list. We'll make our way back to the van and we'll go underneath again and put this bit of foam in and we'll test run that pump and see how we go. Yeah, I'll definitely have to do something permanent because we start travelling again. We definitely don't want any water leaks. Because if you burst a line, well then your pump kicks in because it's on a pressure switch. There'll be a loss of pressure, so then the pump will go. But when we're travelling we have the pump switched off anyway. There's a separate switch in the van where you can turn the main water pump on and off. Normally when we're not here, we have the pump turned off. Well, there we go. There's a bit of movement there. Might have to check. Seems a lot of movement in the front. I think the arm actual probably a bit dark in there. I think the front of the pump there's come adrift from the rubber mount. It should be up here. So it should be up here. Yeah, I think it's come adrift. I think I'll go get the electric drill and we'll undo this plate and have a proper look. I brought a bit of lighting back with me as well, so I'll just undo these, see if I can unscrew them and hold the camera at the same time. I'll have to turn my torque setting up a bit on the drill. Excuse the camera work. Just reaching. Not the most comfortable spot lying on gravel. So I'll just pull the rest of the screws out and then we'll have a proper look. Well, I've just pulled that housing off. There's a bit of moisture there actually. Looks like that's coming from that cap on the top. Was that mark where it's been rubbing? It just seemed a bit loose. But I might have to pull that pump down off from the mount and have a proper look. I'll also have a look at this moisture. See if I can get into a better position. Alright. So it's weeping there, the strainer for the pump. So I'd say that'd be the inlet. Yep, inlet and outlet. So the strainer on the inlet side is leaking slightly. Oh, it is loose. Let's tighten that up. Actually, by this view it doesn't look broken. I think it's just a real loose mount. And the hoses aren't real protected either, like you're hitting up against the framework of the van there. Coming over from a pressure regulator to the pump. Yeah, I don't think that is broken. So it looks like I'll just have to foam fill that. I'll foam fill that for now and we'll have a look. See if that quietens it up. And I'll have to probably modify this case so it doesn't rub on that fitting. So I'll put that back up, put the foam in, and we'll see what that does. So I've just folded that foam over a few times and wedged it in there. We're not travelling anywhere, so it'll do for now. And we'll go inside and see if that's made a difference. Oh, not the most comfortable spot down there. Watch out, cat. We've got the cat in the van with us as well, so it makes it interesting. We'll turn this tap on and see how we go. Turn it down low. Oh, that's much better. No rattle there at all now, so there's the problem. So I'll just have to modify that box so that pump doesn't rattle there while we're travelling. Once we do get out and about again, which won't be for a while. Soon we're busy here building up the bush block. Thanks for joining us for the quick job of the day. It took a bit longer, but it wasn't too bad. Quick fix of the day. We'll catch you next time. See ya.